Got a lot of good stuff for you today, boys. Got a lot of good stuff. Get started on our project today. I don't know if you guys know what we're doing here today, but check this out. What in the hell do you got over here, Jayden? What in the hell? Take this off. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! He went and done it now, man. He went and done it now. Hell yeah.
That's big ass straight pipe.
Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah. 2-in-1. Stainless.
Yep. Stainless steel. Hopefully we get our nice gold.
Welded. Gnarly. So what we got today, what we got started, we've been taking a look at her. We're gonna remove the old exhaust from over here.
Yep.
We're trying to get all the tools dialed in like we do, you know what I'm saying?
That's exactly what we need.
Yeah, for sure. Trying to get everything dialed in. Trying to get let's get this stick dialed in. Speaking of which, boys, let's get her dialed in. Let's get her dialed in. All right, no, for real though, trying to get all the tools, figure out what we got going on with all the tools. Got everything figured out there. Trying to make sure we can reach everything to remove the old exhaust. Yeah. We got a pretty good, idea
on the first pipe.
On the front. I think we can get to all that, and now we're actually just taking a look here to see if we can get into the back side. We were taking a quick look, making sure we got everything ready. I think we're gonna have to run up and grab an extension,
Yeah.
I believe, so we can get in there. Not 100% for sure. We're gonna keep on, we're gonna take a look at this back and see, maybe we can get at it. I'm thinking we can get at it with just a wrench, maybe. I don't know for sure though. We're gonna take a look here. I think, let's see here, what do we got? We need a half inch.
Oh, we got the tool roll out.
Oh, I got it out. Y'all don't even know nothing about the tool. Yeah, jeez, boys, might let you in on that. No, you brought that on, in on that, no. Angle in there, boys. Let me get angle. Where we at? No. How am I doing? Check it out. Is that on there? No.
We got a lot of good to straighten this away.
Hold it there so you don't get on the side to the left. We need a bike lift. Anybody? Hey, we need a bike lift, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna stop shooting videos. We do a nice review on it, boys.
There's the way to.
Is it on there?
Yeah. It's on that one.
Oh, that ain't on there. That ain't on there. That ain't no more on there than I'm on there. No, that ain't close, bro. No. I'm gonna get to that son of a bitch. We're just gonna dive in, boys. We're diving in. Let's see if we can't get this, let's see if we can't get this effing sensor, right?
Yeah, I gotta get the sensor off.
We gotta get the sensor off. Alright. Get ready to dive in, boys. Get ready to dive in. We're gonna get the hands dirty today.
Yeah, so there's a hex right here, and theoretically you should just be able to unscrew that, and then it just pops out.
See if we can't get this sensor out, right?
Yeah. I need a bigger wrench than that.
I think it's 9/16, I believe. It's gonna be a little harder job than we thought, boys, as usual.
What do you think?
Huh?
Get the first pipe off? Because we know we can do that pretty much.
Hell yeah, boys.
Alright.
The glass is always full, boys. The glass is always full. I think we can get the front pipe off, so that's what we're gonna do.
See how that
Want some
goes.
close though, because I don't want to rack my wrenches. I don't want my wrench to rack my knuckles.
You got some new gloves right
I
there.
do have some gloves on there, I think. Alright, boys, we're gonna try to get this first one off. See what we got. Let's see if we can get it, boys.
Oh, could you reach it, that front one with that?
No, we need an extension for that one. We might probably have to run to the hardware store, grab an extension. We ain't really got a whole lot of extensions. We mainly worked on mini bikes before we got these Harleys. Honestly, we used a lot of
Little mini tools for the Harleys.
for the mini bikes.
Yeah, hurry up with mini bikes.
How's that turning there, dude?
I think you just need to get that out of there because it's popped loose. So we can just get it with the half-inch wrench.
Got a half inch, will you?
There's a happy.
Yeah, we can't get it out of there, boys. Let's see if we can't get it out of there. Trying to get the right angles, boys. You know what I'm saying? I think we're trying to get the right angles here. You know what I'm saying? Once you guys will see what the hell we're doing here. You know?
I mean, it really looks.
We got her all it off, boys.
There we go.
First nut.
3 to go.
There you go. That one was by far the easiest. That's by far. All right, you know. Small victories, boys. Small victories. We got the first one done. 1 down, 3 to go. That was the one we could just get easy. And now,
3 more bolts and 2 more sensors.
now we just got to get the right tools for the right job. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Hopefully the 5-inch extension we can make her work for the.
I don't know. I think we need that swivel. I think we need that swivel too. I think we're gonna have a. I think we have a hard right now. We'll have a chance to get on this. Yep. We're headed to Harbor Freight, boys.
All right.
Headed to Harbor Freight.
Ready.
Ready. It is winter in the Midwest, boys. The wind is blowing today. She's blowing. We missed it, boys. We missed it. As soon as I cut that dragon, that's getting in there. Oh my god. My hat flew up in the air as higher than the top of the garage, man. It was crazy, boys. It was crazy.
It flew all the way to the neighbor's yard.
Holy. I said I wish I would have got it on the film, but I stopped to talk, and if I wouldn't have stopped to talk, the hat wouldn't have blown off. Oh shoot, oh shoot. My hat blew off. I think I set my coffee cup down, so we're going back. See if I set her down, we're pulling up. Buzz. If it ain't one thing, it's everything, you know what I'm saying?
Well, if there's no coffee cup there.
Where is my coffee cup? All right, boys, got the coffee, got my hat. Hopefully got everything else. Headed to Harbor Freight. We'll see you boys when we get there. Here we are, boys. Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight. Let's go see what they got for us. Let's go see what they got for us. We'll go get her done.
Yeah.
Get the right tools for the right job, boys. I think we're just gonna shoot the whole time to hell with it. We're looking for that long socket extension set and then that swivel head. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go, socket extension. Where's that see that? Oh yeah, that is, yeah, see that's 12 inches long. That's the ones, that's the head there. Holy moly, boys, I don't know, I didn't. You guys think we need that big a one? I don't know, man.
Those are 4th-inch drives.
That's why all these come with 2 different ones. They have a They have all the different drives, 1/2 inch, 1/4, 3/8.
So this is about perfect right here,
Yeah.
honestly, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is about
so.
perfect. This be all of them, right? That's what we need there, boys. $16.99.
Because all of these are either 3/8 drive or quarter drive, and most of our stuff's already 1/2 inch drive, so kind of what we're trying to stick with.
This would be the one for, I don't know, see, those are all just,
3/8 drive.
yeah. What is this one? 1/4 inch, 3/8. Okay, here's the set. Here's the, there's the icon set of that. That's a comparison, boys. $16.99 for the Pittsburgh. Or 40. I think we're gonna have to go $16.99 today, don't you think?
Yeah.
Now we need a swivel.
I was trying to look for that.
Need a double swivel.
Multi-swivel. Got everything right where we need it, please? Yep.
Did we find it right
Yep,
there?
right there. Every drive. Perfect.
Wait a second, no. Oh, yeah.
Yep. There's your 1/2 inch.
Oh, man.
Doing pretty good so far.
boy.
Doing pretty good.
moly. Check that out, boys. What are we at now? What are we at? So we're at... for those-
$16.99 plus whatever those were, $9.99. So we're at $27 basically.
We're under $30. That's what.
Now we get the 92 thresh.
Yes. Yes. 24 karat. I want it so bad. So nice. Not today, I don't think, boys.
Is
Not
it 1/2
today.
inch drive? No, 3/8 drive. Most of their stuff, it seems like most
Yeah,
of their
no,
stuff
1/2
goes
inch.
up to 3/8.
Yeah, no, that's yeah. 1/2 inch is pretty big.
Big.
We don't really need it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but that's what we have.
Yeah. Now, so maybe some anti-seeds.
Some anti-Cs, yep.
He says anti, I say anti, you know.
Either way.
That's right. I mean, well, nobody knows. Nobody knows.
They're both going to get the job
We're in the
done.
Midwest, boys. We're in the Midwest. You know what I'm saying? Do whatever the hell we want.
Exactly.
Honestly, boys, some people in Missouri talk like they're from the South, and some people in Missouri don't. You know what I mean? It depends on who you're talking to and where you're at. Some of us talk like it just on some sentences. You know what I mean? Those little balls are like $35.
Yeah.
I'm hopping on that today.
Nah.
Andy's Harbor Freight in Jefferson City.
Antiseeds, Harbor Freight. The phone cannot understand me. It's saying, think I'm saying fantasy, and I'm saying antiseeds. Maybe I can attack. I don't know, guys. If you want to comment and say whether you guys can understand me or not, I'm more than welcome. I honestly don't know if I can even understand myself sometimes.
It's over
What
somewhere.
are you guessing? Give me an I'll guess. Don't read, just guess. What do you think?
7.
He's only one off all 6. We're gonna give him. I think we're gonna almost give him the win on that one. I don't know what. I think we're gonna give him the win. That's what we're looking for right there.
Oh,
Might have thought it would look different. It doesn't.
it's right here. Walked right past it. Bam. Got a big old jar of it.
I think that's what we need, huh? Oh, now what do we have, boys? 40?
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope. 37.
Plus this?
Nope. It was only 26 with these.
Yeah, 37. Well, they have 40 with tax, so.
Yep.
Yeah.
$40.
40 bucks. 40 bucks, boys. 40 bucks. Anything else you think we need while we're here? for this job. The future jobs coming up.
Do we have like a pick thing to pick out the things whenever?
I mean, I got something to work, yeah. I don't got a big set, no.
Pick out the gasket, boys. That's what I was trying to say.
Yeah, no, you're talking about a big set right here.
Yeah. Makes it over $50.
Cool. So we want to get the
Yeah.
big set here?
Yeah, we'll get the big set.
I mean, we don't need that, do we?
No, I think,
This
and
is-
that it's lifetime guarantee warranty, baby.
Yeah.
I guess most of them are, but we like the icon.
That's about everything we need.
Sounds good to me.
For you. You have a good one, man.
Have a good one.
Oh yeah, boy. Got everything we needed. Headed back. Oh. Gotta get the door unlocked. There it is, boys. Harbor Freight, Jefferson City, Missouri. It's a little chilly. It's been so nice here the last couple days. Honestly, shit, what's it been? About 70 degrees the last couple days. 65, 70 degrees. It's beautiful. Winter's blowing back in though, so. Alright. Back to the garage, boys. Back to the garage. Who's up there? Holy Mother Mary and Joseph. Oh, so we got everything we need though. I think I'm gonna make me a hot cup of coffee. Then we're gonna get started on this.
Thanks for tuning in. Catch us next week at 4:20. And as always, ride hellbent for leather, boys. Hell yes.